Hey, Dr. Song here from Omni Aesthetics. I think this Omicron variant of COVID-19 is the best news that we've heard since the pandemic started. I'll tell you why I think that, but I also want to tell you that it's probably going to get worse before it gets better, before this pandemic looks like might be ending.
So it's all about the viral load. That's how many viral particles that you're going to breathe in when you're exposed to COVID. So if you breathe in a big bolus of virus from somebody who's spewing out lots of millions and millions of viral particles, you're going to get sick and you're going to spread it to others. Once the virus enters one of your cells, it turns your cells into virus-producing factories, and then you will become just as infectious as the one who infected you. Now here's the good news. Most of us are vaccinated now in the United States, so the virus isn't going to be as dangerous. If you receive the vaccine, or if you've had COVID already, your body has antibodies, and these antibodies will attack the virus as soon as it enters your body. Your immune system will neutralize those viral particles, and instead of spewing out millions of particles and infecting others, you'll just cough up a few particles that will do hardly anything. The more antibodies you have, the better your body will be at fighting off the virus. So if you haven't already done so, go ahead and get that booster as soon as possible. If you haven't been vaccinated, I would strongly urge that you get vaccinated ASAP. Omicron is spreading fast, and pretty soon it's going to infect everybody, whether you're vaccinated or not. Once everybody has antibodies, we are going to reach what we call herd immunity. Herd immunity means that because most people have antibodies, the virus really won't be able to spread like it used to. Now, this is good news for people who have antibodies already, but if you don't have antibodies because you've never been vaccinated or you've never had COVID before, you still have a risk of dying from COVID. The people with antibodies are at a lower risk. So, that is why I'm trying to encourage everybody to get vaccinated, and it's coming fast, so you should do it as soon as possible. If you're not going to get vaccinated, the best advice I can give you is to hunker down, hide out for the next month or so until everybody else gets antibodies. Then you might benefit from having herd immunity, because the virus won't be spreading so much and the prevalence of the virus will go down. The prevalence is how many people are infected in a given population. So if the percentage of people goes below 1%, then even if you don't have antibodies, your risk goes down. So once we reach that herd immunity, the risk of catching COVID will be way low for most of us. Until we reach that herd immunity, the most vulnerable people are going to be the unvaccinated. Unfortunately, the children who can't get vaccinated because of their age are going to be the ones that are the most vulnerable. So please, if you are eligible, get the vaccine so we can protect the children. Now, here's the good news that I was telling you about. Looks like this Omicron variant is spreading really fast, but it's not as deadly to most people as we had originally feared. So, if you can get vaccinated, and if we can get as many people vaccinated as possible, we are going to reach herd immunity faster than we thought, possibly by the beginning of summer. So, that's the good news. We hope that we can see you real soon, and possibly without the masks. Have a great day, and God bless you.